Hello to all traders and welcome back to another video brought to you by Orbex. So to kick off this Monday morning's review, we're looking at Friday's NFP data as it seems to be taking a little bit of a toll on gold as firmer numbers have showed up the fact that the Fed can aggressively start raising rates a little bit more aggressively or continue its 75 basis point hike in the near future at least. There is still going to be one more hike apparently before this year closes out. So what will it be? Will it be another 75 basis points? Will it be a little bit less aggressive, 50, possibly 25? We'll have to wait and see. However, gold has just started to fall away from the 1700 handle for the first time in a few sessions. Actually, it's been positively one of the biggest aggressive instruments that we've been looking at in the last few sessions. So it has actually had a little bit of a shock to fall off. However, a lot of economists are seeing this as a priced in correction, which we'll see on the charts shortly. So the CPI data and FOMC minutes this week will be another pivotal moment in the move for not only dollar but gold as well. I just want to take you through the US crude oil as it's actually started to move higher at the $90 mark as well. So quite significant pushes on the the US crude oil market as well. So let's just get right into the chart to see what we're looking at the moment. So I've just pointed out the recent lows here that we've seen, well, we haven't seen for a while, but if we just look now where prices could start moving to, well, that's possibly my next target. It'll be a test at the next lows. We are actually seeing this projected sell-off in the market because, as you can see here, correction after correction. So we are expected another leg lower. How far it will go low will depend on the pressure the dollar will be under in the next few months and also going into 2023 as well. We've got earnings season data coming out as well, which does affect the dollar and the indices and the US index as well. So we'll see what can we digest from the next readings for this scenario as well. But if we just stick on gold at the moment, as I said, we are looking to see this correction being priced in and possibly another move to the downside, and we are trading below the lower border of the Ichimoku cloud. So it does give us quite a big indication that this will still progressively move lower. If we look on the 4-hour chart as well, we'll just bring this bit more into contention here. As you can see here, very choppy, but this correction to the downside now, we're just seeing if it's going to run out of steam in the near term or if we're going to actually penetrate this cloud, which will be the first signal for me if we're going to start moving lower below the 1650 handle and then possibly right down to the bottom of the recent low, which was just under 1620. So something we haven't seen in quite a long time. However, signals on the RSI haven't really been very apparent, a little bit vague. So we're just seeing now where the next move will be. We're just looking here. This looks a bit flat at the moment from this top to this top. Obviously from this to here, it's looking kind of like a hidden bearish divergence. However, we are firmly looking to the downside now to see what the next move is for gold. So let me know what your thoughts are and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So I did mention that US oil is creeping up. As I said, it has actually gone above $90 for the first time in a while. And as you can see here, we are now looking possibly at a full retracement on the previous leg. And okay, this is a daily chart, but what we're going to do is start getting to these previous tops and then moving higher and higher possibly, because obviously with OPEC last week saying that they will start tightening supply, obviously by the end of the year there's going to be a lot less Russian gas and oil supplies for the globe. So we could see oil start pushing up to $100. That's the next target. We've already obviously breached the $90 mark. We possibly might see another slight correction, but chances are, about this time last year actually, we did project that there would be a $100 barrel hit, $100 a barrel hit for US oil and Brent oil as well. So we'll just see if that comes into fruition. But we are now looking fully fledged like there is going to be a sharp turnaround in oil prices, and the $100 a barrel mark is not that far away. So just keep an eye on that as well. For our chart, we are now still seeing possibly this first V-shaped recovery. As I said, the first top will be the next target, which is roughly about the $97, $98 range, which isn't far away, and then we'll see what's going to happen in the near term as well. But very, very exciting for bulls in the market, because this could be a vast turnaround and something quite unprecedented as we get into the latter stages of the year, and obviously as we get into Q4 as well. So let me know what you think, let me know what you're trading on, and we'll see what's in store for tomorrow's news. So until then, have a great trading day ahead, and bye for now.